Hey YouTube, like a lot of people, I want to get a bird, so we are pretty soon, but we're looking for a cage. It's about, well, just, like, they sell them at Petco online. You can get one for about $27, but if you know any place that has one that about as big as that is, please just send me a link. I will promise to reward for the cheapest one and the biggest one 10,000 Facebook credits and 90,000 cash in all games and a free toolbar and some free rewards like that. And I'll even throw a chance to win a trip to Hawaii for 6. Okay. Thanks YouTube, and hope you guys know anything.